Building a powerful computer for under $500 is totally possible, and I'm here to show you how. First up, let's talk about the heart of your PC, the CPU. Grab an AMD Ryzen 5 for around $200. Next, we need a motherboard. Look for one that's compatible for about $100. For memory, 16 GB of RAM is perfect, and you can snag that for just $50. Now, don't forget about storage. A 500 GB SSD will give you speed and space for around $50. Finally, for graphics, a used GTX 1650 can be found for about $100. That's it. With these parts, you'll have a killer setup that can handle gaming and productivity like a champ. Remember to like this video and subscribe to Tech Gigabyte for more awesome content.